In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archive tasks in ClickUp. If your workspace has gotten busy over time, archiving is a great way to keep things tidy without deleting important history. Archived items are simply hidden from your everyday views, but they're still safely stored and easy to find when you need them. Here's how to bring those archived tasks back into view in just a few clicks. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in a web browser or the desktop app, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're signed in and that your workspace is fully loaded so the search features are available. A stable connection helps avoid delays while results populate. At the top of the screen, locate the global search bar. It's usually easy to spot, often accompanied by a magnifying glass icon. Click directly into that search bar. This opens the universal search panel, which gathers results from across your workspace. Even if you don't type anything, you'll still have access to powerful options that refine what you see. Within that search panel, find the filter option and click it. Filters let you narrow results, so you're not scrolling through every possible match. Next, select the archive option inside the filters. Depending on your interface, it may read archived or use a similar label. This tells ClickUp you only want to see items that have been archived, such as tasks, lists, or other content you've previously tucked away. Once that archive filter is applied, your results will update to display only archived items. This is the dedicated space where you can review everything that's been set aside. Take a moment to scan the list. You'll typically see familiar details like task names, assignees, and last updated dates. If the list is long, that's normal. Archived items can accumulate over time. You can scroll to review them at your own pace, and the search panel will continue to refine what you see based on the filters you've chosen. If nothing appears, it may simply mean there aren't any archived items in your current workspace. Make sure you're viewing the correct workspace and that the archive filter is active. Also, keep in mind that archiving is different from deleting. If something was truly deleted, it won't show up here. That's it. By opening your account, clicking the search bar, choosing filter, and then archive, you have a quick, reliable way to see all your archived items whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in ClickUp.